How to fix rounded posture until it's too late. Back posture is a common problem in today's society. Sitting at a desk all day long and looking at your smartphone develop poor posture for millions of people all over the world, which will result not only in a terrible and unconfident looks, but also in back and neck pain and quick tiredness. Also, your lower back will hunch and become weak, which will result in a constant pain. To prevent this from happening, we need to activate weak muscles like your back and stretch tight muscles like your chest and shoulders. In this video, I'm not going to talk about the science behind it, and I will try not to waste your time with a lot of talking. Instead, I'm going to show you 5 best exercises that you can do at home using no equipment at all. Let's get started. First exercise is the arch up with the posterior tilted pelvis. It consists of 3 different movements. The first one is the shoulder flexion. Push your arms and shoulder blades upwards as high as possible. In the second movement, move your arms horizontally and do the same thing, but this time try to bring shoulder blades together.
That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Last part stretches your tight front delts more than previous 2 movements.
My elimination, gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to
The next exercise is reverse plank. It activates the muscles of your back while stretching front delts and chest. Your palm should be right under your shoulders and the body must be straight.
Coming from the block with plain clothes and police straight up to the top.
You have to keep your arms straight and pull shoulders back. Also try to relax your neck while doing this exercise.
Come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky. Come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a
Third exercise is a stretching exercise to extend your back. You need to find any bench or a couch, then get on your knees and place your elbows on top of it. Now drop your upper back to get deep stretch in lats and shoulders. Hold this position for 30 to 45 seconds.
must go sell. Hitting bitches with the old well, need 100 million on the low scale.
Next exercise is called wall press. Stand or sit against the wall, make sure your lower back touches the wall, then place your arms on the wall and slide them slowly to the top and back.
Make deals, I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel.
If you can't touch the wall with your arms, it's totally okay in the beginning. Just keep doing this exercise every day and you will slowly progress.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
Last exercise is also stretching exercise. Grab your arms behind your back, squeeze your shoulder blades and try to raise your arms as high as possible. In the beginning it's going to be very hard to raise your arms, but with consistency you'll get better every day. This is a great stretching exercise for your delts and chest. And if you like this video and find it useful, put the like on, subscribe to this channel please if you want to see more content, and thank you for watching.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding.